A massive insurance fraud spanning 12 states has come to light, revealing how agents, bank staff, doctors, and officials collaborated to insure terminally ill individuals and even the deceased, claiming payouts worth hundreds of crores. Investigators believe the scam is far more widespread than initially estimated. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Fraudsters targeted low-income individuals and terminally ill patients, enrolling them in life insurance policies using falsified identities. One of the most shocking cases where a person, Trilok Kumar, whose death was recorded twice within 6 months. Official records from separate institutions validated both deaths, allowing insurance payouts on each occasion. Documents, including medical reports and death certificates, bore authentic seals and signatures, making them appear legitimate. In some cases, scammers even paid the premiums themselves, ensuring policies remained active until a fabricated death certificate could be used to claim the benefits. In Ghaziabad, a person called Suraj's death was officially recorded 2 months after his actual passing, during which time fraudsters secured Rs 27 lakh in payouts. The scam was facilitated by weak verification processes, particularly in schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Yojana, which requires only a death certificate for claim approval. This loophole enabled fraudsters to obtain multiple policies, wait for the monetary 45-day period, and then submit falsified documents for payouts. Authorities have arrested 16 individuals so far, seizing fake Aadhaar and PAN cards, SIM cards, and official documents. Investigators are now scrutinizing thousands of past claims, suspecting many fraudulent payouts have already been processed. With evidence pointing to the involvement of hospital staff, insurance agents, and government officials, the probe has widened to include both private and public insurance firms. More arrests are expected as officials dig deeper into the scam's intricate network. Described as an industrial-scale operation, the scam exploited system loopholes with shocking precision. Investigators are working to hold those involved accountable while implementing stricter verification measures to prevent such fraud in the future. This type of multi-state insurance scam results most of insurance companies running under loss, and it's time to face off the facts. Let's look into today's headlines. Schneider Electric to transform the power distribution infrastructure in Bihar. Schneider Electric has collaborated with South Bihar Power Distribution Company Limited to modernize and enhance Bihar's power distribution network. With rising energy demand straining infrastructure, BSPDCL required advanced solutions for reliable power delivery. Schneider Electric's EcoStruxures grid technology provided real-time monitoring and improved operational efficiency, ensuring 24/7 uptime. This modernization effort has significantly strengthened BSPDCL's network, benefiting both customers and the state by enhancing power reliability and sustainability. Western Digital exits SSD and NAND business to prioritize HDD focus. Western Digital, that is WDC, has announced its complete exit from the SSD and NAND business. The company confirmed that it will spin off its flash storage division, shifting its focus entirely to the hard disk drive, that is HDD segment. The transition marks a strategic pivot as the demand for high-capacity HDDs continues to grow, particularly in artificial intelligence and cloud-based applications. SanDisk, which has long been responsible for Western Digital's SSD segment, will now assume full control and operate the division independently. Global outage hits social media platform X. According to Down Detector, social media platform X experienced 3 global outages on Monday. The first disruption occurred around 5:30 a.m. ET, with over 2,500 users reporting issues, which were resolved within an hour. A second outage was reported around 9:30 a.m., peaked at 40,000 reports, and again stabilizing in an hour. The third incident was detected at 11:10 a.m. The Elon Musk-owned platform has yet to release an official statement regarding this disruption, leaving users awaiting clarification on the cause of the outages. ServiceNow to grow its AI portfolio with MoveWorks acquisition. ServiceNow has agreed to acquire MoveWorks, which develops enterprise-focused automation and AI tools. It will pay $2.85 billion for MoveWorks in a mix of cash and stock. The former expects the deal to close in the second half of 2025. MoveWorks' talented team and elegant AI-first experience, combined with ServiceNow's powerful AI-driven workflow automation, will supercharge enterprise-wide AI adoption and deliver game-changing outcomes for employees and their customers. Apple supplier Foxconn unveils Fox Brain. Taiwan's Foxconn has introduced its first large language model, Fox Brain, aimed at optimizing manufacturing and supply chain management. Trained using 120 of NVIDIA's H100 GPUs in just 4 weeks, the model showcases Foxconn's commitment to AI-driven innovation. The company, known for assembling Apple's iPhones and producing NVIDIA's AI servers, built Foxconn on Meta's Llama 3.1 architecture. This move highlights Foxconn's strategic push into artificial intelligence to enhance efficiency across its vast electronics manufacturing ecosystem. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.